So earlier I was just doing my stuff here outside, and I asked Laura to close the door because I was hosing it out, and I got locked out. So yeah, I got locked out here for a few minutes, and it's so hot today. Like supposedly it's 32 degrees, but it's coming up as 26 max today. So yeah, that's how it goes. Also, got the lemon moved to that. I'm gonna put maybe fairy lights onto it because it might be our Christmas tree for now. We haven't decorated the house as forever here. Mm. Oh shit! Look at that, hay fever. Look at that tree up there. That one. So yeah, that's gonna develop into hay fever. Those pollens, whenever it gets windy, yeah, it's everywhere. So get sick. I don't believe in hay fevers before, but yeah, lately it's lethal. Like I get sick, my eyes get watery and everything else. My first 2 years, nothing happened. But lately, man, hay fever's really bad. I understand them now. Okay, I'm gonna take a shower and might enroll myself to the gym today so that I get fit. Let's do this. Okay, I fell asleep watching YouTube and everything else. So it's so bright today. So bright. Finally heading out of the house right now. It's pretty warm today. People are going to the beach, I reckon. But yeah, it's just pretty warm. Okay, I'm gonna head to the car right now. Okay, it's supposed to be around 8:45 for the sunset, but the skies are like killer gloomy right now. It's like the end of the world. It's gonna be heavy rains. Damn it. I'm gonna head to Knox now. Just like that weather's like really bad. It's like shit. Look at that shit, that big fucking cloud. Oh my god, look at that. So yeah, right now the streets are littered with everything on it. It's really heavy rains coming and the clouds just whooshing. I don't know, I just want to, I don't know. There you go. You see the streets are filled with all those shit, and yep. Rain.